new ride-on lawnmower is home. New to me. It's a Yardman, I think, brand. Quite a nice little mower. It's second hand, been refurbished by the gentleman who looks after my small power equipment for me, does services on the generator and pumps and stuff. He had it for sale. The price seemed good, and the grass really needs more attention than I've been giving it. I really would have liked to have tried a robot mower, but for the time being at least, they're way too expensive. So this will definitely do the job. So let's give it a run, see how it goes. Well, that didn't take too long to mow everything. I have to say, it's done a pretty reasonable job. Not a bad machine, but I do have a few thoughts about it. The first is, I don't know who this forward and reverse system was designed for or by, but it was not someone with size 10 feet. This thing is difficult to operate. The last ride-on mower that I used just had a flat pedal, pushed forward, pushed back, and it worked really well. That was a long time ago, but this mower really feels quite small. Is my other comment about it. Craftsman is the brand. Good powerful motor. It seems to cut pretty well. No problems there. It's quite maneuverable. The turning circle is good on it. But I do have to say, I think I would have preferred a zero turn mower, but they're significantly more expensive. So this will do the job, but all the little ins and outs around the garden mean that you can't really do the whole job with a ride-on mower. You really have to come back and use a push mower to do under the lemon trees and in the corners. Obviously you've still got to go along with a line trimmer along the edge of the shed. The cut's pretty good. It seems to cut fairly high, which I like. I don't like cutting the grass down really short. That just means that it ends up drying out and dying over summer, or you've got to water it. So I'd much rather cut it long and let it protect itself from the heat and avoid drying out. There's still a little bit left to do, obviously, getting under the trees and things. Have to pull the hand mower out for that, but that's not too big a job anymore. Way better than having to do the whole thing with the hand mower. So on the whole, I think I'll call that a win. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.